Okay guys, Texas Sun. This one is going to be pretty easy. We've only got 4 chords. We have A minor, G, E minor, and B minor. For 95% of the song, for intro, verse, choruses, it's going to be simply A minor to G. Let's go ahead and just play that. Okay, now let's go ahead and talk about the rhythm. That will be the hardest part. And I'm going to give you a couple different ways to do it. I'm going to hit you with a hard part and stay to the end because I'm going to give you a little bit of an easier way to do it. So here we go. It's this, what I opened with. Do you have to do it that way? No, but it sounds incredible when you're playing, especially solo. Okay? There's that backbeat happening on beats 2 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You see it? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So you're kind of playing 2 instruments at the same time, guitar and drums. You're welcome. Well, also I'm sorry, because I know it's probably hard for most of you. Let's dive in though. Let's do it slow. Here's really what it is, okay? Let's get a zoom in. Down, hit. And that hit is gonna happen. That's a picking of simply the lower strings while you kind of karate chop. Get that first, get that consistent. Do 10 of those in a row and then you're ready. Okay, I digress. Down, hit, up, down. Okay, that's where we start. Just get that first. Down, crack, up, down. If you've got that, do it 5 more times and then move on. Here it is to the next part. Down, up, down, up, down. Hey, it's not too bad. I kind of repeated that little thing I did there. Okay, so down, up, down, up, down. Do that 5 times before moving on. Got it? All right. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up. That's right. Okay. So that last little bit is down, mute, up, down, mute, up, down, mute, up, down, up, mute, up. And just take your time with that. Go slow, but that is the whole track. Do that for everything I'm going to show you, all of the sections. Okay, so especially with this. So one more time. Down, mute, up, down, mute, up, down, mute, up, down, up, mute, up, G. Up, down, mute, up, down, mute. Okay, a little something to soften the blow is to not do that muting thing at all. Just relax, let it go, get rid of it, and it's gonna sound totally fine. Less interesting if you're especially playing solo, but it'll still sound fine. Something like this. Right? So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So essentially everything that I was muting, I'm just playing on a down strum. Not too bad, right? Enjoy. That right there is the easier version. Work your way up to the harder version. Again, go slow. Have some grace with yourself. That stuff is hard, okay? Sorry, I almost cursed. All right, let's go ahead and do the last part that I wanted to get to, and that's the bridge. Don't panic. It is a bar chord, but I'm gonna walk you through it. Here's the bridge. To your normal stuff, A minor to G. Okay, so that's just E minor to B minor, E minor to B minor with the same exact rhythm, so I'm not going to break it down further. Don't want to waste your time, but I do want to give you some tips, okay? Whenever you're playing that B minor, I want you to go ahead and know that if that is too hard for you, that's okay. Work your way up to it. Nothing wrong with starting with 2nd fret high E, 3rd fret of the B, and 4th fret of the G. But you really got to make sure you're being careful to only strum those. You hear that? If you hear that, that's going to be a little nasty, and that's okay. The next level is this one, and then finally the cap here to bar it. And that's it, you guys. So that is all of that song. Enjoy. If you liked it, please subscribe, and I'm going to go ahead and make you a really happy person and get into the lead guitar. So that should be coming up in the description if I have done it already. Either way, enjoy. See you in the next video.